Hi, I'm going to show you how you can make an envelope out of just a sheet of copy paper that I didn't need anymore, and a card of any size. So you can custom make it. I fold this over and meet the edges, more or less, and then fold this side so that it'll be the size of the card. And then I'm going to fold up the end and meet the ends. And this is going to be the top. Clipping this at an angle, I'm not even measuring. I like this edge just being straight. No need to cut it because this will make it perfectly straight. So I'm cutting to that corner where the two folds were. Either way can be on top. I put a little bit of glue on the edges. This happens to be called glitter, art glitter glue. Oh, I put the glue in the wrong place. This goes underneath. It'll be okay. And then this is your open end that you can put the card in and out with. So there you go. Now we can do it with a map.